And not ma'am.
I'm Jerry, ma'am. Oh, yeah, ma'am.
Hey, Tiruvalluvar.
Ma'am.
Shiona, till which page you have completed, Shiona? Page
In
number.
ma'am.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Have you
36.
completed?
Page number 36.
Only till page number 36 you have all done.
Yes,
Additions you
ma'am.
have not.
Oh, ma'am.
Everyone, addition you have not done in book. Eric Zero.
No, ma'am.
Additions you have not done.
Ma'am,
No,
page
ma'am.
number is what?
Page number 40. 40. Page number 40.
And that is all. Ma'am.
What? No. Page number 40 you have. Okay. We will do page number 40. Okay. All of you sharp your pencil. Take out your composite book. Composite math book. Page number 40.
I'm going to stop my pencil.
Take out your composite maths book. Page number 40.
Yes, ma'am, I have taken it.
Very good.
Hello.
Switch on your videos. Tiruvalluvar, Akhil, Jose, Jesu, Deborah Esther, Lucy, Lakshana. Switch on your videos and sit.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, teacher. Very good. All of you take. So shall we start now? Yes, everyone ready? Yes, Abdul, are you ready?
Ma'am, I'm ready. Now show thumbs up. Yes, ma'am.
Ready. So those are ready. Show me your thumbs up. Very good. Okay. Take page number 40. All of you take page number 40. Okay, very good, Deborah. But take page number 40. Muhammad Mahabub, switch on your video. Everyone has taken composite maths book, page number 40. Yes?
Ma'am, I've taken.
Okay. Now can you see a green color box is there? Yes? Self-practice 3A. Can you see a green color box? So the first sum is first sum.
What, ma'am? I can ask here. You tell the page number.
Page number 40. 4040. Look at the green box. In green box, the first sum is already done. Okay. Now do the second sum. All of you do the second sum, second and third sum.
Okay, ma'am, I'll do it.
And I finished the
40. Ma'am,
all
I
of you
finished
do.
the 40.
Very good, Eric Zero. Very good. Those who completed, very good.
And second sum I completed.
So complete second sum, third sum and fourth sum. Complete 3 sums.
Ma'am, should we completed all the sum in this page, ma'am?
Yes, first you complete the first 3 sums. Okay, first sum is already done. Okay, do the second sum, third sum, fourth sum. Second, third, fourth.
Ma'am, I complete every sum, ma'am.
Okay, those who completed all the sums, very good, very good. Okay, some children has not yet completed, no? So let them complete. I will ask a question now. Okay.
Complete all sums.
Those who completed all the sum, very good.
I'm also, ma'am.
So everyone completed page number 40 sum. Do. Tiruvalluvar do. Muhammad Mahabub, what about Muhammad Mahabub? Have you completed? Very good. So who has not yet completed, just raise your hand. Who has not completed, raise your hand. Only Thiruvalluvar.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Me also. Richard.
Richard also did not complete it. Okay, we will do it. Do it fast.
Coming to 8th one, ma'am.
Richard, Thiruvalluvar. Do it fast. Danny also not completed. Sabi also not completed. Okay, do it, do it.
Ma'am, third lesson also not completed.
Okay, ma. Now do it. We will discuss the answers. Okay, you all do it. The last class, you have attended a test in addition, so you may be very familiar with, right? So all of you do. I will ask the answer. Only the person whom I'm asking should answer, not all together.
Ma'am, I have finished, ma'am. Richard finished.
Very
I have
good.
finished page number 40.
Those who completed, very good. Wait for other children also. Let them complete. Count properly and do. Add properly. Jeroen, don't switch on your video and do it. Richard, are you doing the sum?
Ma'am, should I do the next page also?
Next page, no. Only page number 40. First two sums you have completed. Second and third sum.
And third sum, fourth sum, fifth sum, sixth sum, seventh sum, eighth sum, ninth sum, tenth sum, 12th sum, everything I completed, ma'am.
12 sums you completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Super, super. So some children has not completed. Okay, let them complete. Then we will discuss the answers. Then we can go to the next.
First page and I want to complete second page.
Very good, Jeroen. Very good.
I completed.
Okay. Can you tell me the answer for the first sum?
I'm the title.
Yeah. Wait, one second.
For the second question,
Second question, what is the answer? Wait, I'll ask you. 4 plus 3, what is the answer?
I will tell.
First Richard will tell. Okay, first Richard. Okay, he has answered first. So 4 plus 3, what is the answer to 4 plus 3?
7.
7. Very good. 6 plus 0?
Ma'am, I finish everything.
6.
Ma'am, I finish everything.
Don't
Ma'am, the next is 9, ma'am.
Very good. All of you got this answer?
67, 967, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Got some
can I
answer.
tell the next sentence?
Yes,
Ma'am, I finish everything. Ma'am, I finish everything.
Thiruvalluvar. Fourth sum you tell, okay? Fourth sum Thiruvalluvar. Fiona, tell me the answer for the third sum. Third sum.
426.
4 plus 2 is 6. Then 4 plus 1.
1 is 5.
6 plus 3.
6 added by 3 is 9.
Very good. Very good. Okay, Thiruvalluvar, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer for the first sum. 0 plus 9.
0 plus 9, ma'am.
Very good. 8 plus 0.
8.
8 plus 0 means.
8 plus 0.
8. When you add any number with 0, you get the same number only. 2 plus 4.
6.
Very good. All of you got this answer correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next sum.
All the one.
Okay, all
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Eric, Zero, tell me the answer for the fifth sum. Eric. 0 plus 6. 0 plus 6.
6.
Very good. 8 plus 0.
8.
Very good. 5 plus 2.
7.
7. Very good.
क्लास खत्म बड़ा हो गया
Person.
इसी के ड्रॉन्ग
Tell me the answer for the sixth sum.
8.
Wait, count and tell me, okay? 5 plus 2?
6.
Wait, 5 plus 2.
7.
5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7. Okay. Next. Who is the next? Mohammed Mahabub. Tell me the answer for the seventh sum. 3 plus 5.
8.
அப்பா கட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன்.
Very good. 0 plus 1.
1.
1. Very
அப்பா
good.
கட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன்.
5 plus 2.
7.
Very good. Uday Karthik, tell me the answer for the eighth sum. Uday Karthik.
Can you guess it?
3 plus 5. Plus 5. 8. Very good. 9 plus 0. You can tell me, okay? 4 plus 3. 4 plus 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 5, 6, 7. Next one. Lakshana. Tell me the answer for the ninth sum. 1 plus 2.
1 plus
1 plus 2.
9.
Yes, ninth sum only. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2.
3.
அப்பா சாப்பிட்டு அப்புறம்
3.
கூடட்டா
3 plus 5.
8.
8. Very good. 7 plus 1.
8.
8. Next one. Abdul Muzabir. Abdul Muzabir.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer for the 10th sum. 2 plus 5.
7.
7. Very good. 1 plus 7. 8. Very good. 2 plus 2. 4. Okay. Next. Priscilla. Priscilla. Tell me the answer for the 11th sum. 5 plus 4. 9. Yes, very good. 2 plus 3. 5. Yes. And 3 plus 3.
sincere அரசு sincere
6. Very good. Is Inti here? Inti?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
சரி அப்பா சாப்பிட்டு அப்பா
Okay,
ஓகேடா
tell me the answer for the 12th sum, Inti.
அப்பா சாப்பிட்டுக்கலாம்
Ma'am, 7.
2 plus 5.
சாப்பிடுங்க
7.
7, ma'am.
1 plus 2.
3.
Very good.
3.
And 5 plus 1.
6, ma'am. 6, 6.
6. So all of you got this answer correct? Everyone? Everyone got this answer correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Clap for yourself. All of you have done correctly. Clap for yourself. Okay, very good. Now look at page number 41. Look at page number 41. Nice is smiling. Eric there. Page number 41. All of you take page number 41.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Page number 41. Have you all completed?
Yes, ma'am.
No?
Yes,
Those who
ma'am.
have not
No,
completed,
ma'am. Complete, ma'am.
those who not completed, raise your hand.
Am I completed? Am I completed?
Okay, those who have not completed, just 5 minutes. No, just 2 minutes. Do it fast. Simple addition. Only 2 minutes. Majority, all the children has completed. Those who have not done, do it fast. Only 2 minutes.
I'm completed.
It is a simple addition. So do it fast. Do it fast, Lakshana. It's fine. Zero turn. Don't fall down. Those are completed. Very good. Check the answer. Those who did not completed, do it last only 2 minutes. Thiruvallu, what are you doing? Are you doing the sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Do the first. Do first. Richard? Okay, completed. Everyone? Okay. Next page number 42. I taught you 3 properties of addition, right? Yes, I taught you 3 properties of addition. Yes or no? Yes. First is grouping. Okay, this first property is order property. Order property means when we add 2 plus 4, the answer is 6. The same way, 4 plus 2 also makes answer 6. So just interchanging the number. Okay. So the answer will be the same. That is called order property. So I taught you order property. Then next is grouping. Adding vertically as well as adding horizontally. The next is zero property. When you add any number to zero, you get the same number. So all of you clear with the 3 properties? Yes? Yesterday you have written test on the 3 properties. Okay. So page number 43. All of you know page number 43?
That's funny. Only one song, ma'am.
Some you got wrong.
Any number plus 1 plus 0 into 0 plus next to that number what number come? That is again only number come.
So when you add 1 plus 0.
My mother only tell me now. One ma'am. Ma'am.
So what you have written, we add 1 plus 0 plus 0.
Ma'am, no ma'am, wrong ma'am.
The answer is 1 or the answer is 100?
Wrong.
The answer is 1 or answer is 100?
Ma'am, one.
1. The answer is 1 because you are adding
Ma'am,
1 plus 0, 1. The same 1 plus 0 answer is 1, not 100. Okay, it is not expanded.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I got everything correct, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, I not likes, ma'am.
Then okay, page number 43. Have you all completed? Tell me that first. Page number 43. What about page number 43? Okay, you have not completed page number 43. Okay, now look at the first sum. All of you look at the first sum. Put your pencils down. Pencils down. Who's having pencil in your hand now? Pencils down fast. Later you can do it. Later you can do it.
41.
Sorry.
41 not right it.
41 now. 41 if you
Page
have not
number
completed.
41.
You complete, everyone complete, only you have not completed. So do it as a homework, okay?
Okay.
All of you put your pencils down. Look at page number 43, first sum. Look at page
Okay.
number 43, first sum. Which property is that? In ordering property. Okay. So 6 plus 5 equal to 5 plus what? What will be the answer?
5 plus 6.
Yes.
6.
6 plus 5 also we can
Ma'am,
write.
6.
5 plus 6 also we can write. All of you write that. Write first. This is 8. Page number 43. Are you doing? Now look at the next.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at the next one. B. Look at the B one. 3 plus 7 equal to dash plus 3. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, 7.
What is the answer?
7.
7.
7.
3 plus 7 also, the answer is same. 7 plus 3 also, you get the same answer, 10. Now look at the third sum.
19.
Yes, Francis, yes, tell me. Mario. Listen, Mario. Tell me, do you want to tell anything? Okay, look at the third one. Now you are going to add and tell me, okay? 30, no, it's not addition. Just order, what's the order? 39 plus 18 is equal to 18 plus, what is the answer? 39. Yes, very good. Okay. Now do the whole. This is the sum now. Do first E1, E1 and F. All of you do
Sorry,
this
I'm doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Tiruvallur, you are what doubt you are having? Tell me.
Ma'am,
Ah,
ma'am, 0 plus 100 and
yes, that is the
1846 into dash. Next, not number, it's a number.
what is the answer? What is the answer?
Ma'am, that answer. Ma'am, tell the answer.
Tell what is the answer?
1840.
3. Yes. When we add any
Ma'am,
number.
1840 is answer.
Yes, Tiruvallur, you are right. When we add any number with 0, you get the same number because 0 is nothing. 1,800.
Ma'am, 0 have not the value.
Yes, 0 has no value. It is nothing. Literally nothing. So when we add any number with 0, we get the same number. Okay, till yep, have you all completed everyone? Till F, everyone completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. G also have completed till G. G is very easy only. See, G is same way as F. Have you completed till G?
Ma'am, I have completed up to G.
Okay. So remaining H, I, J will be your homework. Okay. Remaining 3 sums will be your homework. Now look at the Roman letter 2. Look at Roman letter 2. Do the B sum and tell me the answer. Do the B sum and tell me the answer. Go to you 7, 8, 7, 8 and
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, I write it only. I write it.
So here you can see one small round like this, right? So here you are going to add only these 2 numbers. Only these 2 numbers. 7 plus 8. What is the answer for 7 plus 8? 7 in the mind, 8 in the finger. Count and tell me. Abdul Musawi, count and tell me. 7 in the mind, 8 in the finger. Count and tell me.
50. Man, you going to be some.
Yes, B sum. Because A sum is already done. Okay.
Ma'am, A and ma'am, A and B. Ma'am, one is left coming now, ma'am.
What is your problem?
Ma'am, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Say man, say.
Ma'am, 8, 4, 7.
That is already done. That is already done. In book
That one, that is not giving a number, ma'am.
Amen. See the sum and it is already done in the book itself.
Ma'am, it is not giving a number. Ma'am.
It is already done in the book itself.
It is not giving number. 1, 2, 3 number.
It is A,
First some number.
it is A and B. Tiruvalluvar. I'm going to get B now. 7 plus 8 is 15. Now 15 plus 5. You tell me the answer. You only ask me 4 questions. No? 20. Very good. Now here you can see 7, 8, 5. Add this.
Ma'am, I learned that.
Add this two and
Ma'am, we want to add 8 and ma'am.
8 plus
Ma'am,
5.
ma'am, I tell this answer.
Yes, tell me what is the answer?
Ma'am, 8 plus 2 we one add and put it the round. Next, we add the current 7 we add no ma'am. 18
Tiruvalluvar, you be quiet for 2 minutes. Just mute yourself and be quiet. Abdul Muttalib, you tell me the answer. Abdul Muttalib. What is the answer for 8 plus 5?
30.
30, yes, 30. So what will be the total answer? 7 plus 30?
20.
20. So you all know how to do the sum? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, complete the remaining 2 sums. Complete the remaining 2 sums.
Ma'am, I completed. Ma'am, I completed all the sums.
Very good, very good, very good. So those who have not yet completed, just do it. Meanwhile, I'll take your attendance. So all of you mute yourself. Mute yourself. I'll just take your attendance. All of you mute yourself. Everyone completed? Okay, now turn to page number 44. Page number 44.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Eric Zero completed the whole book, Eric Zero.
I also completed, ma'am.
Okay. So page number 44.
also completed.
Uday Karthi completed, very good.
Ma'am, I not completed, ma'am.
Do the sum as homework, okay? Tiruvalluvar, do the sum as homework. Page number 44.
Okay, ma'am.
Page number 47 will be your homework. Okay? Yes?
These are two lines, ma'am. The down.
In which page? In which page? Why are you rolling around here? Danny, you are rolling here and there. Why? So have you all completed page number 44 and 46? Sorry, 44, 47. If you have not completed that, do it as homework. Okay? Yes?
What is
What Arik J.
Catch
what
it.
you said?
47 halfway finished.
Half you finished. Okay. Remaining half you do it. Okay?
I'm also
So
half
page,
on the finish 47.
okay. So page number 46 and page number 47 will be your 44 and 47 will be your homework. Okay? Okay, children. Then don't forget, tomorrow you are having your social meeting. Okay? Social meeting.
Fliplan or my class campus?
Lesson number 3, our environment in my class, sorry, in Fliplan, not in my class campus. Only Tamil you will be having in my class campus. Rest all other subjects you will be having in Fliplan only. Okay? Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone got it? Anyone is having any doubt here?
And the page number 43 have given us 3 sums as a homework.
Page number 43.
Using the property of addition, fill in the missing numbers.
Yes, that also you should do it. Page number 43, that now itself you can complete because it is very simple. But page number 44 and 47, everyone must complete and keep. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Go to the NT, all of you should complete till page number 47. Okay, children, then carry on. Okay, so we have a, if you have any doubt, you can ask me now, or otherwise we can wind it. Anyone is having any doubt?
No doubt. Ma'am, what pages?
Ah,
One doubt, ma'am.
yes, sir, well,
Ma'am,
don't have doubt.
computer. Ma'am, one doubt. Computer.
Wait, Francis, what are you
Ma'am,
doing?
find doubt in computer.
You computer. Deshu, your voice is breaking. Sit properly and tell me what is your doubt. Yes, you will be having your test in Fliplan tomorrow, 6:30 in the evening. Okay, in the evening you will be having as usual.
And max homework 44 and 47.
Yes, till 47 you should complete your book. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, children, then thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.